Timmy.
Kids TV. Zapojmo, a sailor went to sea. Mornar na morje je odšel. A sailor went to sea to see what he could see. But all that he could see was the bottom of the deep blue sea. A sailor went to chop to see what he could chop. But all that he could chop was the bottom of the deep blue chop. A sailor went to knee to see what he could knee. But all that he could knee was the bottom of the deep blue knee. A sailor went to snap to see what he could snap. But all that he could snap was the bottom of the deep blue snap. A sailor went to jump to see what he could jump. But all that he could jump was the bottom of the deep blue jump. A sailor went to see jump to see what he could see jump. But all that he could see jump was the bottom of the deep blue sea jump.